What's going on, Mixinites? I am Nathan Mixon, your fitness coach, and today we are going to do a weight loss workout that's going to require no equipment or jumping. Before we get started, consider subscribing to my channel for weekly content to help you reach your fitness goals. Legs are the foundation of your training. The stronger the legs, the better your performance is going to be in your overall fitness journey. It's also a huge contributor to weight loss. Given the fact that your gluteus maximus is the biggest muscle in your body, we are really going to break down the fat in the rear, optimize the strength for both your hips and your thighs. Because there is no equipment or jumping involved, anyone can pretty much do this workout, whether you're older or younger. As you get stronger, you will get faster and you become more resistant to injury, given the fact that you can now add more weights or actually add more reps to it, or even both. We are going to go through 8 different exercises. Each exercise is going to last 30 seconds, give you 20 seconds to rest in between. Do this workout at least 3 times a week and you'll be well on your way to solid legs. And the first workout is going to be the squat. Alright, feet shoulder width apart, bring your hips down as far as possible, keep your legs parallel to the ground, engage that core. Let's do this. Seconds left. Alright, so the next exercise is going to be the squat pulse. So we're going to come down to a squat position, maintaining that position the whole entire time. That's going to keep our legs engaged, our glutes engaged. Keep your arms parallel to the ground to work the shoulders and keep the core tight and your chest up high. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway point. Three, 2, 1, and break. Reverse lunge is going to be next. We're going to alternate legs. You don't have to bring the knee up if you don't want to, because it could be a little bit uncomfortable. So feet shoulder width apart, bring one leg back and drop your knee down until both legs are 90 degrees. Let's get ready to go. 2, 1. Halfway there, keep going. Now we have the lateral lunge to the right hand side. You're going to bring your feet laterally until it's double shoulder width apart. Drop your hips down. You want to keep your knee behind your biggest toe. This is going to work your IT band, okay? It's going to work your core and also the inner thigh. 3, 2, 1. Push hard off that dropped leg. Three, 2, 1, and break. All right, you're gonna go to the next side with the lateral lunge. Ensure when you're doing this workout that you keep your feet pointed forward. You don't have to come all the way down to the ground, but if you get that flexibility, you get that mobility, go forward. Push off hard off that bottom leg and come into a knee tuck. 3, 2, 1. Keep going. We're almost done. 3, 2, 1. squat push is going to be next. We're going to start off in the plank position. We're going to do a push-up, come back to that start position, and then bring your legs back for the squat. Okay, this is going to work the quads, it's going to work the core, the shoulders, and also the glutes. Make sure you breathe throughout the workout. Let's go. Alright, we have the sumo squat next. We've worked this workout not too long ago, maybe Monday actually. Your feet gonna be double shoulder width apart. Your feet gonna be at a 45-degree angle. Just lower yourself until your legs are parallel to the ground and come back up to that start position. It's gonna work the inner thighs. The faster you go with this workout, the faster you're going to burn those calories.
I'm fast as fuck, boy!
3, 2, 1. And the last workout will be the donkey kick. So you're going to be at a you're going to be on your hands. Knees will not be touching the ground. Shoulders are going to be over your wrist, okay? This is going to work your glutes. It's going to work your hamstrings. It's going to work your core and your arms too as well. Look at your knees and make sure that your knees do not come up during this workout. This is the home stretch. Good job. If you want more leg training, make sure you click the top right hand corner for the card that's going to give a description on more leg workouts. Subscribe to my channel. I am Nate, the Mixing Your Fitness Coach, and I will be flexing with you later. Peace.